This conference will now be recorded.
నాయుడంచి అండ్ ఇంకెవరు రావాలి? శ్రావణి,
అఖిల, శ్రావణి, ఇమాం.
ఇప్పుడు చూసుకున్నారా మెసేజ్లు, మెయిల్స్?
మెసేజెస్ చూసుకున్నారు సార్.
మ్యూట్ చేయమ్మా. కెన్ యూ ప్లీజ్ మ్యూట్ యువర్ సిస్టర్? ఏ టైంకి వస్తున్నావు క్లాస్కి నుంచి? 6 అంటే 6కి రావాలి కదా. 6, 7కి వస్తే అట్లా 7 minutes లేట్ అమ్మా. అంజీ, నాయుడు అంజీ, ఎందుకు 7 minutes లేట్ అవుతుంది నీకు? ఎందుకు లేట్ అయింది 7 minutes?
సారీ సార్, డేటా లేట్ కరెంట్ ఇక్కడ కట్ అయ్యింది సార్. హాట్స్పాట్ వైఫై కనెక్ట్ ఉంది.
ఇప్పుడు కరెంట్ వచ్చిందా?
లేదు సార్, అన్నది డేటా ఆన్ చేసుకుని ఇప్పుడు హాట్స్పాట్ ఆన్ చేస్తారు.
ఓకే, సో మేక్ షూర్ క్లాస్ 7 అంటే 7కి రావాలి, 6 అంటే 6కి వచ్చేటట్టు చూసుకోండి. ఓకే ఓకే, లెట్ మీ గో ఫర్ యువర్ అనుకుంటా నావిగేటర్. స్టార్ట్ రికార్డింగ్ కవరి.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. So I think you guys are having the knowledge on the different kind of data types, right? Is there any other questions from the data types? Okay, just open your Jupyter notebooks and let's talk about for today's class. Anji, what are the concepts I completed as of now? Tell me. What are the topics from Python I completed? What are the classes?
Yes, sir. Okay.
What are the topics I completed as of now?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. What are the classes? What are the topics I completed as of now?
Data types. Python data types.
Huh? So guys, sounds it's very audible. So who will able to tell that what are the topics I completed as of now? Venkata, tell me, what are the topics I completed as of now?
Data types, sir.
Only data types?
First starting variables, sir. After that, data types.
Okay,
List, tuple,
so
set, dictionary.
what about this operators like built-in functions? Like, am I completed this built-in function, print, input functions, print function, type function, id function? Am I completed that one? I think no. Only built-in functions I completed. Okay, so this operators class I couldn't able to finish it then. So this is, I think, old people I completed. Oh, fine, no problem. Okay, so I just want to introduce some new thing for today. Okay, so as of now you guys are able to done your data types, right? So we will have some fun part today. Okay, so Python what's project URL? No, from what project URL? Hacker rank. Okay, yes, hacker rank. Okay, So hacker rank for Python. So you just open your hacker rank for Python. So today we'll talk about this particular thing. Actually, this hacker rank is the one website. When you are attending some kind of interviews, okay, then you should solve some kind of problems, right? Okay. So as of now, you guys are understood related to data types concepts and somewhat built-in functions, and that means the basic part we completed, right? So let's go to this particular hacker rank, and there we should do some kind of assessments. So like see, for example, you this is the one challenge. This is one challenge. So you just click on the challenge. Here we should log in. So you just log in through like sign up, and I would like to sign up with any one of the name. So data science. Yes, that's data science 071. Yes, you just log in such a way, or we can sign up in such a way. Okay, so once you've done it, then I am here to prepare for job interviews, learn and compete others. So you are learning purpose, right? So learn and complete purpose. I am a student. Let us consider I'm a student. I will graduate it in, and for example, so let me take this example. You graduated in 2000. Still I'm in my school, for example, in a 2024. Let's consider it. I will graduate in 2024. Let's go. Okay. So when you click on this time, so there will be 35 points more to get a first star. See guys, this is the hacker rank. This is the one website. There we should able to do some what exercises which related to Python, not only Python, anything. Okay, so you will get the certification from this one with a stars wise. As of now, I don't have any stars. I want the star. If I want the star, I should finish it 35 points. I should get the 35 points. There you can see this is the problem. This is the submission. This is a leaderboard. Okay, this is what discussion, and this is editorial, and this is what tutorial. So see, objective, this is a simple challenge to help your practice creating the variables and printing. So here what exactly you are learning, and you are able to creating the variable, and you are printing on standard out, that means on print monitor. You may also want to complete to solve my first in Python before attempting this challenge. So Python is an interpreted and dynamic programming language that allows to execute the statements individually and see their result. We can see their results actually. In other words, you don't have to write and compile the entire program. So you can see the results of the code. Just you can write the code and we can see output mode. You may also want to check this output style guide for guiding variable naming. You can see it. For example, if you're not aware of it, how you can able to create the variable name, you just click on this one. You will able to get some information. See, here we have some more knowledge. Okay, so descriptive naming style, there are a lot of different naming styles. It help you recognizing the what name it should be independently from the what they are used for. Okay, B is a singular lowercase, this is a capital B. So here small b and capital B both are different actually, because of Python is a case sensitive. Lowercase with underscore, upper score with underscore also we can use, and we can use capitalized words. Okay, we can mix it both also. We can mix it combinations like uppercase, lowercase, and we can combine with the underscore and the capitalized words, and what lot many things we can do these things. Like these are all some more information, unrequired information also will be there. Okay, so you don't need to go this much of in depth, so this will be the little bit confusion otherwise. So what I should do, we just need to solve it. You just need to solve it. Okay, so let me go with that particular challenge. So solve the challenge, you just click on the solve the challenge. When you are click on the solve the challenge, so there we should have the language. The language is, it's a py2, but see, most of the people at this moment they're using the Python 3. Just click on the Python 3. What you want to print it? So here the simple line code can be executed. You have to print the hello world. You have to print the hello world. Savani, you are 5 minutes late here. So what I was trying to explain for today's class, I would like to talk about the how we can able to practice the Python in the in this particular hacker rank. So hacker rank is the one website. It will help you, it will give you some kind of problems, and you have to solve it. By the time of solving, so you'll be getting some kind of knowledge. Okay, so anyway, I can able to start from the first. So let me consider, you just google it, hacker rank Python. So when you click on this one, so if you don't have the, if you don't have the credentials, sign in and log in, you can sign up and then you can log in. After you log in this one, it will something showing you 35 points is more to get the first star. So here we have a lot of problems are there. So as of now, I'm not explained about Python if else, I'm not explained the operators. Okay, I'm not explained the loops, I'm not explained anything here. Okay, list comparison, find the runner up list, nested list, finding the percentages, list tuple, and string split joins. Here I was explained. Whatever I explained, you can go through and we can practice it. Okay, whatever I was not explained, don't practice it. So let me solve this particular solve challenge. Just click on the solve challenge. Well, the time of solve challenge, this is the Python 3. I want to print the hello world. I want to print this particular thing. What you should do, you just copy this one, and this is just a print statement, right? Whatever you want to print it on the screen, so you can use the print function, and so that particular print function, you should write the string within the double quotes, then you can run the code, you will able to get the output. Congratulations, and you got a result, right? So you can able to submit the code. Whenever you submit the code, you might be getting the stars over here. Okay, yes, next challenge. So go to the next challenge. When you go to the next challenge, this is something like if and else, but I'm not explaining the if and else, right? So I cannot solve it. So what I was explained for you, I explained the different kind of data types, right? So that you can go to the data types. See here, this is say hello world, this is solved. Okay, and this is arithmetic operators, I couldn't solve it. And this is the Python division, this is also not at solved. Loops also I'm not explain it. So here write a write function. So let me see what exactly this write function. Write function in the sense giving input, right? Write function in the sense print statements. So let's see this write function. So here also functions concepts also not explained for you. Okay, I'm not explain the functions concepts. Okay, so function concepts also I was not at explain. Print function, let's talk about print function. Whatever I explain, let's try to solve it. I'm just checking it. See here list tuple. Okay, list tuple, this is the things we have to practice it. Swap case, and what's your name, mutations, find a string validation is not required. So there is some challenges are there, you can practice it, guys. Print the string. The line contains n 3. Output. Input is 3. Include the substring n from the take what's represent example is 5. Print string 1 2 3 4 5. This is also not. I think there we should use somewhat loops. There also we should use some loops. So loops I was not at all explained till now. You can go back. So here we can see the list. Just click on the list, then see what happens here. You can read this thing and we can able to execute this all. See, you can read this one, we can execute. You have to get the output this one. Okay, and this is for sample input. So here 12 and insert the 0 comma 5, insert 1 comma 0, move, and I think there also we should use some loops actually, but we can practice this particular append, list, append, pop, sort, these things we can practice it, guys. Append 1, append 3, insert 3. Yes, this is not loops actually. You can go through it. So we can click on the list. Here there are some kind of questions are there and we need to solve it and we should satisfy and we need to submit it. Got it? Got it or not?
Got it, sir.
Okay. So like this, a tuple also we can practice it. So we can practice this particular problem. So within this particular hacker here, what is the problem we should solve it? First one is the list and the tuple and the swap case and the string split join. These are the 1 2 3 4. These are the 4 things you have to solve it. These are the 4 challenges you should solve it. Okay. So here my question is, I'm not talking about this one now. I'm talking about the generally. So from tomorrow onwards, I would like to take the 2 sessions. One session for Python, okay, one session for the SQL. Okay, is it possible to attend the both the classes? So this is the Python will be 6 p.m. as per IST. Okay.
Okay,
And okay, and
Okay, sir.
SQL will be 7 p.m. IST. Okay, is this possible for you? This timing?
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so regarding about
Okay,
this
sir.
one, I can confirm you by evening. Regarding about this particular 2 things, I can confirm you by evening. Okay. And before that one, you can complete this list. We can complete the tuple. We can complete the swap case, and we can complete the string and the split and join. Okay. This is the 4 things we can finish it. Thank you, guys. This is for today's session. This is only for practicing purpose, and we can use this hacker rank and we can practice it. See, guys, if the class is 7 in the sense, 7 we should come. If the class is 6 in the sense, we should come 6. Okay, you are the freshers. You're not like
Okay,
experienced
sir.
guys. If I miss some point, you cannot
Okay,
grasp
sir.
it. If some people are experienced people are there here, they can able to grasp it. If you're not experienced guy, if I'm missing a single point, it may be confusing for you guys. So please don't be late for session. Please come session at by time.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Bye guys. See you.
Okay.
Practice these 4 things.
Okay, sir.
And I can check this
Bye,
particular
sir.
thing. I can
Okay,
open
sir.
your hacker rank sign in pages. I can see it whether you did this list of tuple, swap case, and string and split join or not. Okay. So this is for assignment of today. So please finish it and we can come to next class. Bye guys. See you. Take care.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.